In the middle of the year, Grayscale, a crypto asset manager, was endeavoring to transform its Bitcoin fund into a US spot Bitcoin exchange-traded fund, or ETF. BlackRock, Fidelity, Valkyrie, Vanek, and WisdomTree were amongst the companies that had submitted applications for Bitcoin spot ETFs. Leaked chats suggested that the US Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC, was in negotiations with applicants regarding ETF applications. Speculation was rife that the SEC might approve a Bitcoin spot ETF within the year. By December, Bitcoin and other major cryptocurrencies like Ethereum, BNB, XRP, and Solana had seen significant price increases. BlackRock revealed its proposed spot Bitcoin ETF, which would trade under the ticker IBIT if approved. Interestingly, the company revised its proposal to utilize cash creation and redemption mechanisms, following the SEC's preference for such methods. Towards the end of December, Fidelity and WisdomTree named Jane Street Capital as their authorized participant, the industry term for the firm responsible for steering cash into and out of ETFs. BlackRock also named Jane Street and JP Morgan Securities as its authorized participants should its proposed spot Bitcoin fund receive regulatory approval. This was according to an amended prospectus filed with the Securities and Exchange Commission. Notably, BlackRock became the first issuer to complete the SEC's requirements to be considered for inclusion in the first wave of spot Bitcoin ETF approvals. As we headed towards the new year on the 30th of December, reports emerged that the SEC might notify the 14 Bitcoin ETF applicants about the status of their applications by the first week of January. This move was anticipated to come ahead of the January 10th deadline for the agency to decide on the ETF application by ARK Invest and 21 shares. Finally, Bitwise's latest amendment to its S-1 filing with the SEC showed the asset manager had garnered interest from an investor to seed its ETF with $200 million upon launch. This significantly overshadowed BlackRock's initial seed fund of $10 million. As we step into 2024, all eyes are on the SEC and the fate of the Bitcoin ETF applications. Hit the subscribe button to be notified when we upload new videos.